So in this tutorial video we will see how students will be giving their online exams for subjective type of questions. So before you start with the exam process, there is one settings which you need to do in your camera so that the size of the file will be smaller than what you click on the normal camera settings. So you need to go to your camera, click on the settings. When you click on the settings, you will see there is a resolution rear picture size. So if you click on this, you can change the resolution of the image, make it to the lower version. Why we are asking you to do it? Because if you click the photo with the higher resolution, now suppose if you click this photo, then if you go to the images, then you can see the file size will be around 2.66 MB. Now if we reduce the resolution of the image and we check the size of the file, and now if we click the same photo and if we see the size of the file, then you can see it is 1.28 MB. So in case if your camera is taking higher size files photos, you can reduce this by changing the resolution of your camera. Please do this so that it is easier for you to upload your answers in the subjective type of answer sheets. So now we will go with the process. Now when you log into your site, that is edwin.com, you will see that the page will open in a red format. Please do not try to change the format. This is the format in which you have to give your exams in the coming final half-term exams. This is the format which has been updated so that you can give your exams in a smooth process. So after logging in as a student with the test credentials, you can see the format. Now you can see the online exam on the home page itself. You don't have to go to menu or academics. Directly you will be seeing the online exam on your home page. Click on the online exam, select the exam, when you select your test exam and click on go, then you can see the start exam and other details, and you can click on start exam. So now when you can see we have started the exam is of 10 minutes. First question is what is the capital of India, and it is a descriptive type of question. So we need to write the answer. So either you can write your answer inside this box, or you can insert the image. So after you have written the answer, you can see now you will be able to see only one question in one page. This is done so that you can answer your descriptive questions in a better way. Now you can move to your next page, like click on second and you can see the second question, and likewise. So one page you will see only one question henceforth. Now suppose in case if you don't want to write an answer and if you have written it on a piece of paper and you want to insert that as an image as the answer, so you can see beside this half line there is a thing where we click, and when we get the option of insert image, we click on choose file, we can open up the camera and we can take the image and click on OK. So when you get this error, this means you have a poor internet connectivity. Now we will again reduce the size of this so that we can get a better understanding of this. So now we have improved our network. I have come to a location where the network quality is good. So now we will try to insert the image. We will click on this insert image, click on choose file and click on camera. Then we can just capture the image and insert that as an answer. So you have to understand, if your network connectivity is poor, you will face such issues. So when you come to your good network connectivity area, you will be able to attach your file. So that is the reason we specifically did this, by going to a poor network area and then coming back to a good network area. So after inserting your answer, you can go to the next question. You can click on the answer of the second question, and then the same process you can end your exam and click on finish. This will help you to give your exams in a proper manner. Thank you.